cruising a trade or DIY that doesn't use hex keys on the regular? Well, luckily Milwaukee's got 4 new folding hex key sets for us to check out. First, they got an 8-piece metric set with 1.5 through 8mm keys. They got an SAE set with 9 keys from 5/64 through to 1/4, and you can get both those SAE and metric sets together in a dual pack as well for 17 keys in total. And they've also given us an 8-key TORX set from T9 to T40. Looking closer at the labeling, they're color coded for each set type. There's nice contrast in those labels, so it's easy to identify. 230 grams, each set weighs less than your phone, but they haven't skimped on material. It's an all metal body, nice and rigid, durable for use, and it's got a nice ergonomic grip too, so it's nice to hold on to. Accessing each key is super easy. They've got 270 degrees of rotation on each key as well, so you can swing it all the way over, so you got maximum leverage, or you can make it nice and narrow for getting into a tight space as well. Now, notoriously, hex key sets get loose with use, but these sets have 2 4mm hexes on either end, so you can adjust the tension or the stiffness on that action. So as it gets worn in, you can keep it how you like it. They look good, they work great, they fit in your pocket, and if you head over to sydneytools.com.au right now, you can order yours, or you can hit me up with any questions in that comment section down below. Until next time, I'm Tim. Thanks for watching Sydney Tools TV.